It's probably not a good idea. Anyways, let me see over here. Can't see over here. Husia cat. Husia cat. Husia. Oh, I don't know how to do that. This is a fat mob bitch bought me this book. I ripped a whole lot of pages out of it already. The human body. We got nutrients. Oh shit. Damn. Been a minute. Nutrients. Metabolism and anabolism. I don't know what anabolism is. It doesn't say cannibalism. But have you heard the one about the cannibal passing his brother in the forest? Get it, passing? Like, Okay, show's over.